So for viewing the new videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Today we will learn break-even point. So break-even point is calculated into break-even point in units and break-even point in sales. So first we will learn break-even point in units. Units or outputs. That is equal to total fixed cost divided by contribution. So break-even point in outputs is equal to total fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. So we have to use that particular equation to calculate break-even point in outputs. Then break-even point in sales is calculated using another equation. The equation is total fixed cost divided by PV ratio, profit volume ratio. So total fixed cost divided by PV ratio is used to calculate break-even point in sales. So question number 1, calculate the break-even point. So the fixed expenses is given as rupees 60,000. Then the variable cost is equal to rupees 5, that is per unit. Variable cost per unit is equal to rupees 5. Selling price per unit is equal to rupees 8. So these are the information that are given. So now we will be going for the solution to calculate break-even point in sales and break-even point in units. So first we will calculate break-even point in units. So BEP in units is equal to, the equation is total fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. So fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. The fixed cost is given as 60,000, directly given. So we have to calculate contribution. Contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. Here we have selling price and variable cost. So that is equal to 8 minus 5. The 8 rupees selling price and 5 rupees variable cost. So 8 minus 5 is substituted. So 8 minus 5 is the contribution, that is equal to 3 rupees per unit. Now we have to substitute the value in the equation. So we know that the fixed cost in the question is given as rupees 60,000. So we'll write fixed cost is equal to 60,000. So we will substitute it in the equation. 60,000 divided by 3, because contribution we have calculated as 3. So the break-even point in unit is 20,000 units. That is 60,000 divided by 3, that is equal to 20,000. Now break-even point in sales. Break-even point in sales is calculated using the equation fixed cost divided by PV ratio. As we know, PV ratio is equal to contribution by sales into 100. So that is the equation that we use to calculate PV ratio. So the contribution divided by sales into 100. Either we can substitute the contribution value 3 by 8 into 100, or we can use 8 minus 5 by 8 into 100. That is equal to 3 by 8 into 100. That is equal to 37.5 percentage. PV ratio is expressed in percentage, so 37.5 percentage is the PV ratio, right? Then break-even point in sales is equal to fixed cost, that is divided by PV ratio, that is equal to 60,000. So we'll substitute the value 60,000 divided by PV ratio is 37.5 by percentage, so it is going upper side, so we will get the value 1,60,000 rupees. So that is the question today. Thank you.